less winter. World, parents, we are in a winter. Far from spring. Who we should stop follow? Nature science or our science? Human being, we create more than God and his nature create. We create only for us, self, our own nature. And seems to me, doesn't matter to us who we follow, because we have to die anyway. Not thinking enough how we can suffer before we will die. World parents, we create so much and invest so much money and time. What we should do? Should we forget money and time? And should we follow? And promise nature science. And what money cannot buy. For our Anna's beautiful children, future days. Or should we follow our world science before we die?